Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to reset Electrolux dishwasher, clear errors and troubleshoot problems. To reset an Electrolux dishwasher and clear active error codes, press and hold the cancel or start button or reset button for 3 to 5 seconds until the display reverts to the default cycle speed. If a simple button press does not clear the error, a hard power reset is required to wipe the control board's memory. Method 1. Perform a standard control panel reset. On most models, this is the dedicated cancel button, or it is combined with a start button, start/cancel or reset button. Press and hold the button down for 3 to 5 seconds. The active error code should disappear, and the status light should reset or blink, indicating the machine is ready for a new cycle. Method 2. Perform a hard power reset. Unplug the dishwasher from the wall outlet. If the outlet is inaccessible behind the cabinetry, flip the dedicated circuit breaker in your home's electrical panel to the off position. Then leave the power off for at least 5 to 10 minutes to allow the control board to completely drain its residual energy. Now plug the machine back in or flip the circuit breaker back to on. Then turn the dishwasher on and run a brief rinse cycle to check if the error returns. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.